all gonna get coached.
So
That's awesome.
Nah.
Where's that from? Be like, I didn't know. We were right by the fucking stadium when it blew up. What?
story to tell your grandkids.
Come on, man. I'm trying to live the moment. I'm trying to live the moment right now.
Greg,
I'm trying to live the moment.
Oh, Cowboys are so good. Yep, there comes the top. Oh, you son.
Just live the dream.
Live the dream, baby. Take a drag. Nah.
Just what do you think it does?
Nah. Hey. The cops bagging up. Whoa. Nah.
We were on top of the science when we came down. If you walk,
I'm Brandon from North.
hold on 1 sec. Here, hold on. Joe.
I'm taking one now. Sure. Yeah, I can put it up on YouTube.
You go like forward.
Yeah, Mike, they're not going to make it. It's going to blow up in like a minute.
No, it's Joey. Once we were getting a sweatshirt.
Yeah, he's not going to make it back. Oh, he's up there?
Like the woods right in front of the stadium, like
The fireworks.
past. P will give you directions.
Cop is buzzing my kill.
Okay, you go down.
Buzzing my kill.
It's like, fuck
down
you.
Northgate. Okay, you go down Northgate, and
Joe
then you make
Finley.
a right on Tom Brandis. And then you go Michael, your phone.
This shit is about to blow up right now.
Yeah, Michael Irvin did a bunch of blow too. Yeah.
It's about to blow.
Hey,
Demolish.
your Super Bowl teams were not good.
Go
Niners!
Oh, I turned off the news. But it said like 3 minutes, like 2 minutes ago, so it's got to be going soon.
I'm glad they had fireworks. I love fireworks. Yeah, I've never seen fireworks.
Nah. Hey, Joe. Nah. Hey.
You make a right onto Tom Brandis.
Make a right onto Tom Brandis.
Walk down a little bit. And
Emmett
you'll see,
Smith
you'll see like white cars and you
not even close
White cars and then
to as good as Walter Payton. Walter Payton would run around that fucking stadium right now. And, yeah, he was awesome. Way better than Emmett Smith.
That was such a good song.
Nah.
Can you write down the lyrics for me?
Nah.
Sean started that.
Hey. Goodbye. It's the end of an era. Your team is no good. Nah.
Fair was declared the end of the era today.
Cowboys are over.
Hey, Jerry Jones paid for this. Jerry Jones paid for
Cowboys suck.
this. I just want to see the motherfuckers.
Nah. Hey. Goodbye. Nah. Emmett Smith sucks.
All of a sudden you'll hear the sound.
Fuck you.
I might see this and I might back out.
You're already gonna probably get covered in shit.
You guys know how like
Woo!
EMS has like really shitty times. Isn't that crazy?
Here it goes. Nah. Hey. Goodbye. See you later. You are the trash. I hope our highway
One
works
thing
better
goes up,
after
probably
you're
just like tip
over.
off.
They dug a hole in the middle school.
Yeah, Luke
They
12.
all play prank
Luke
calls.
12. Woo! Nah.
No, Rachel, I heard they're doing it in section.
Emmett Smith, you're not any good.
No, I'm saying not like just all at once, like they're only gonna do it. The Dawson, the roads and shit.
Nah.
It's just
Hey. Goodbye.
it's gonna happen. You can see all shit's going.
Blow it up. Please, somebody just blow it up.
Push the button.
If you were black out like right now, and you
Nah.
a couple hours, you're like,
Hey.
Blackout. Like I'm right here, bro. I'll take over the team. I'm right here, bro.
na 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 na.
Not gonna remember.
Na 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 na. Jack in the box in 15 minutes.
See little
Na
sparks.
na. Hey.
Well, Mike, we know it's not gonna blow up.
No, it's gonna blow up.
Alright, anyway.
You're gonna see little sparks and it's gonna fall.
It's gonna blow up.
It's gonna be like a bomb, man.
Foundation, like they always have to fix the bricks on the mall and stuff. What
Boom.
if the tower fell over?
What's going on?
They're waiting for
They
it.
push the
Here it
button
goes.
and it's just not working.
Get ready. Get ready. Joe. It's about to fucking blow up.
Don't tease us with the fireworks. What's the good?
Yeah.
Fireworks show, please. Fireworks show.
No, that means that they're like shaking.
Na 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 na. Na 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 na.
The fireworks.
Hey hey hey. Goodbye.
I know, for real. I don't understand what's going on.
Alright, let's go back.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go. Okay.
Michael, what's Joe doing?
Michael Irving did a lot of drugs. He's not really that good.
We're not gonna be saying that.
Emmett
I'm
Smith
like, damn it.
has a great beard. He's
it's just
not
us,
really
I got
that awesome. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Hey, goodbye. Na na na.
Is that everyone cheering? Where are they coming from?
From the university.
I hope they're not in the stadium.
I want to fucking fly by.
Where is that noise from? That's you.
There's more fireworks.
Na 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 na.
That's just someone else like really drunk. Like, who
Hey, that should be us.
Michael.
That should be us.
1.
Oh shit!
It's gonna go all
Na 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 na. Hey, goodbye.
Oh my god, we're gonna die.
Na 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 na.
It takes a
Na
while.
na na na.
Guys, I want to get out of here.
Cowboys suck. Goodbye.
Wait for it. We don't wait
Go
for
Bears.
Wait for it.
That was awesome.
Michael, come on.
That was awesome.